This technology utilizes circuit fabric, replacing traditional sensors and wires with conductive fibers that are integrally woven into an elastic knee brace. It allows immediate positioning upon wearing, eliminating the need for disposable electrodes, and addressing the issues of low willingness for home training and costly equipment among elderly patients with knee osteoarthritis. It features joint angle measurement, surface EMG, and EMS functions, making it simple and easy to use. The technology has been applied in hospitals such as NTUH Sinju Branch, Far Eastern Memorial Hospital, Tri-Service General Hospital, and Taipei Medical University. It has received recognition including the 2024 Edison Awards Gold, the 2024 and 2025 IF Design Awards, and the Symbol of National Quality. In the future, it aims to strengthen collaboration among industry, academia, research, and medical sectors to enhance interactivity and training effectiveness.